Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics today. Today we're checking out this beautiful 1969 Camaro.
This is a sweet car. Got all the RSSS trim with the Rally Sport reverse lights, the Hideaway headlights, Super Sport hood and deck lid stripes. Really good looking car.
Yeah, beautiful. I love the paint on this. There's the motor.
Best thing about it is, of course, under the hood. And the undercarriage really is remarkable, which I'll talk about more here in a little bit. But power steering, power brakes, and this is a 383 stroker built by Phoenix Engines out of Phoenix, Arizona. Funny enough, I was just there yesterday. But really good, powerful 383 stroker. We're gonna let this one warm up a little bit longer before we take our video, because it's a cold day and it's a performance car. Got headers on it, aluminum radiator. Car really does have a lot going for it. Beautiful interior, great color combination. I love the black with the black vinyl top, RS Hideaway headlights, which work. And this car's an older, like, frame off or sub frame off restoration. If you look at the undercarriage on this, floors rust free, all painted, you know, high gloss black, all new body mounts. Just a really excellent car underneath. Hood lines up great. Front bumper is original, so if you look close, you can see some factory, you know, not factory. You can see some wear on that factory bumper. But overall, from a foot back, still looks very presentable. The grill's in nice shape. Hideaway headlights, those look original. I mean, it's got some little pitting on that Argent there on the Hideaways, but they work great. RS grill. Hood lines up good. And this is definitely a car you can take to your local car show, be very proud of. The only thing on this is it's got older paint. I'm guessing the paint on this is probably 20-ish years old. So when you look close, especially in the right light, it's got some imperfections in the paint, but overall, nice straight body. Good looking car. You have some rock chips down here. Cowl hood lines up excellent. You can go ahead and shut it off, Ryan. Couple chips there and a couple small bubbles down there in front of the corner of the door. We'll look at the inside of that here in a second. And I think, you know, that if you want to take this to the next level, we didn't have time to do it here in our shop, but I think a wet sand and buff would do this paint miracles, because it's got a nice, you know, it's laid nice, but it's just older, and wet sand and buff might bring some of that shine back. Nice straight quarters. Again, some rock chips down here below the rear wheel. I like how they did the exhaust tips, and you have to go to the website and check out the undercarriage pictures. Very impressed with the underneath on this. On vinyl top cars, I always like to look at this area and in the back here too. No bubbles, no issues in that vinyl top. Now right below it, you can just see some little solvent pop kind of in the paint. No bubbles, nothing like that. But the best way to explain it, just a nice local car show quality, you know, exterior paint with a show quality interior, really nice undercarriage, and good power, runs and drives great, which we will show you firsthand here in a little bit when we get behind the wheel of it. Door jamb paint, inside corner of the door. You know, the dash is nice. It's got the deluxe black interior, which is finished really nicely. No wear on that passenger seat. Door panel's in excellent shape. Got a brand new steering wheel. Dash pad's nice. There's your paint on the top of the dash. It's got the full console with the kind of rally gauges in that console. Seat backs look great. The back seat's nice as well. I love the deluxe interior on these Camaros. Headliner's awesome. Just like the back seat. Door shuts good. It sticks out just a little bit there. Which none of these old cars are perfect, but this is a damn cool one. Some really nice options. Up underneath that rear package tray, extremely solid, which does not surprise me at all when you look at the undercarriage. And all original too. So is this, that's awesome. Extremely solid car. I know we bought it out of Colorado. Previously, it must have been down in Arizona, you know, judging by the engine builder. So I'm guessing a Southern car, probably most of its life, considering the last two owners, and when you look at the body and the solidness of it. Rear bumper's original as well. Has some little Mars there, but overall presentable. It's got the RS reverse lights, all the RS insignia. Quarters nice and straight. And just a few small rock chips there. All back here on the vinyl top is excellent. What do you think of this one, Rye?
I really like it. Just seeing it go through the shops, I was super excited to get it out here and get it on the website for you guys.
Yeah, it's a neat car. Rally wheels with the Daytona raised white letter tires. Really good. It's a really good look on this car. Excuse me. Couple small little bubbles down there in that corner of the door. We'll check the inside here in a second. But again, older paint on it. Still looks great, especially given its age. Front corner of the door is great. Really nice hood gap. Sweet little car. Got a couple 69s lately, and every time we do, I mean, they sell like a hotcake. So if this is something you're interested in, give us a call. Talk to one of our sales reps. We can help with shipping, get you set up with financing. We've seen the outside corner of the door, but the inside corner of the doors on this one's excellent. You'll still see the factory pinch weld, no Bondo, no filler, nothing like that there. Door jambs are good. Driver's seat just as nice as the passenger side. Very quality. Steering column paint's great. New steering wheel. Horn works on the steering wheel. Driver's side seat back's excellent as well. Got a couple Pioneer speakers back there on the package tray. Back seat's nice. You got seat belts for two in the back, and you got seat belts in the front as well. It'll be the fourth video of the day. We got one more after this, but we saved kind of our two high horsepower ones for last. We got this Camaro and then a big block Nova. Fires right up.
Sounds super good too.
It does. So you got amp gauge down there, temp gauge, fuel, and oil pressure. On the radio, it's AM, FM, aux, so you can connect your phone to it and play. So this is just FM radio right now. Good sounding speakers. Horn works. Wipers work. And then your gas gauge. So this console has a gas gauge in it as well, but this car came with the factory one in the dash. So the factory one in the dash is the one that works, one that we go off of. Trying to hear if that heater fan works. Heater fan does not work. Now we do have some paperwork on that 383 stroker, comp cam, and of course that's the only way that we can say it's a 383 stroker is because of that paperwork. Visors are really nice as well. Rear mirror's nice and tight. It's a cool car. breaks them loose. That's not even going through the gears. That's just putting it in drive.
Yeah.
Brakes are awesome. No pull left or right. Really nice pedal. Temp gauge is coming up here. We'll go through the gears on it once. Second. Third. What a badass car, man. You can just feel that front end lift. Squealed them all the way through first and second. We can smell burnt rubber in here, which means we were doing our job. Exhaust sounds great. Front end's nice and tight. Speedometer works. Doing about 75 mile an hour right there.
Definitely a car you can hop in and have some fun with.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, and it just handles really nice too. You know, even roasting those tires there, never got out of control. Still, you know, still felt nice and safe in it. It's a cool ass car. Really nice. Temp gauge works. We're warmed up here. Oil pressure, even warmed up, still carrying 50 pounds of oil pressure. Here's your brakes. Excellent. I mean, this car's as good as gone. I like it a lot. We'll get out her one more time. Just too much fun. Should have went in front of that Impala, but now we'll just have to catch him.
I don't know if we'd have a problem with catching him.
I don't think so either. All right, we're gonna go through the gears. We got it down in first, second, third. It's got a lot of pull in second and third as well. We caught that Impala pretty damn fast. Now we'll get around him. Maybe not, we got a truck coming, but what a car. I'm super impressed with it. Love the way it drives, great look. And again, make sure you look at that undercarriage. You'll be very impressed with the car underneath. Just a good, solid, fun to drive car. There we got around the Impala. I love it, having too much fun. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.